Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how to cook potatoes in a pressure cooker and infuse them with herbs. I got a 1.5 kilo bag of waxy potatoes straight out of the ground, so I'm going to wash them. And you can go ahead and peel them if you're going to mash them, but to keep this really simple, I'm just going to keep the skins on. Then get your pressure cooker or Instant Pot ready, drop in the steam basket, and put about a cup or two of water into the bottom, just enough that it comes through the steam basket. Now, place the potatoes inside the cooker, stack them up. What I love about this method is that we're basically just steaming the potatoes. If you were going to boil them, a lot of that potato flavor would sort of leach out into the water. Here it stays in the potato. And we can use that steam to extract the flavor from aromatics like rosemary here and infuse that into the potato. Very cool. So once you got the lid on and locked, place it on the stove, turn on the heat, and wait for the pressure to build up. All right, once the pressure is built up, set a timer. For these medium potatoes, I did 7 minutes, but you could go anywhere from 7 to 12, depending how big they are. While we're waiting for that to cook, let's check out the big pot behind the pressure cooker. I got a video coming up on how to make a stock out of kitchen scraps. And if you'd like to see that video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, or if it's already out, check out the link down in the description. Oh, back to the potatoes, time's up. Take the pressure cooker off the heat and let it cool down. It should take about 10 minutes for the pressure to release. There we go.
You gotta smell that.
Test one out with a fork. Oh, nice. If yours come out too hard, you might want to put it back on under pressure 2 or 3 more minutes. I'm gonna plate these up and test them for you. Ooh, look at that butter slide. You know, sometimes rosemary can taste kind of overpowering, but here it comes through nicely, pretty subtle. And the potato is firm, it cooks through. Look at the color. It's like really yellow. So I hope you enjoy this as a side dish or use it to make whatever potato dish you want. We threw these on the grill last week while camping. They got kind of smoky. That was really nice. If you found this video helpful, click the like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. See you next time.